In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove third-party access from your Google account. Whenever you use your Google account to sign into a website or connect it to an app, that service may receive access to certain information from your account. You can review and remove these connections at any time. First, open your preferred web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Next, click your profile picture in the upper right corner of the page, then select Manage your Google account. From the menu on the left, open the section for your connected or linked apps. Here, you'll see a list of the websites and applications that are connected to your Google account. Find the app or website you no longer want to have access, then click on it to view its connection details. Scroll down and select the option to delete or remove the connection. When prompted, click Confirm. The app or website will now be disconnected and will no longer have access to your Google account through that connection. You can repeat these steps for any other apps or websites that you no longer use or trust. And that's how you remove third-party access from your Google account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more simple tech tips and step-by-step tutorials.